Hello to everyone, my name is Gregor Horat and welcome to a new free video analysis in which I will take a look at dollar Mexican peso. As you know, this market is trading to the downside since April, and looks like there is room for more weakness. I mean, we have lower swing highs and lower swing lows, so it appears that we could continue lower, especially if we consider that for the last few weeks we are here trapped in consolidations. In fact, this rise here from June 08 low was clearly made by three subwaves. So either that was already a completed correction and you will see a straight move to the downside, or this is ongoing triangle, meaning that this first three wave rally was part of this triangle that is actually my preferred wave count. Also, the reason why I'm looking lower is because a lot of markets have retraced all the way back to those March levels when this crash on stocks happened, but the dollar Mexican peso still didn't retrace towards this level. So I'm still wondering if there is this big move coming here to the downside after a completed triangle. Also keep in mind that dollar index, which I have it here, is clearly in downtrend, right? And looks like we have some impulsive price activity, but I will not bother with big picture. I think that the really important is this short-term structure. This was consolidation, and looks like that we have now another consolidation. So the resistance obviously can be a little bit higher, especially if we retest this swing low here for March, but I really think that this trend is very clear. So for now we should stick with this, and if we have any interesting setups, then definitely we should watch for those markets where we have corrective characteristics pointing towards even weaker dollar. And actually dollar Mexican peso, as I said, this is one of it. Okay, we have open gap down here, and this was only a three wave rise, but ideally that's a triangle. Also, if you look at the monthly candlesticks, you can actually see here that we are forming here inside bars. Now, after this strong reversal from the highs, we have now inside bars, and in a lot of cases when this inside bars, this inside formation is broken, it normally occurs in the direction of a previous trend, which means to the downside. Okay, and also looking at the weekly chart, okay, we had here firstly some doji here. This was 3 weeks back, 4 weeks back. Okay, so after this doji formation, normally you would expect that the price will rise, maybe even significantly. Well, but what happened the following week, we had another doji at the top. Okay, it means that bulls were not strong enough actually to hold those gains that were expected after this first reversal candlesticks. In fact, we have seen a confirmation of a reversal in the following week, meaning that bulls are really struggling here, and I would not be surprised if we are going lower sooner or later. Okay, so looking at the wave count here, that's my primary wave count. Now this is a triangle here that I'm tracking, a fourth wave. It's an ABCDE pattern, so that's wave A. You have also three waves down for wave B, sharp wave C, maybe not, that's now wave D, that should then find a support at this trend line. So what I'm waiting for is on this wave E. I'm not sure if this wave E will occur from here, from current levels, if my interpretation on these subwaves is correct, but definitely that's something what I want to see, rise in three waves up into this resistance before I may even consider potentially joining the downtrend. So let's see what happens down there at this trend line. I think that for now it's very important, but sooner or later will be broken, I believe. But obviously the best structure would be, especially for triangles and based on theory and guidelines of a triangle, is that we see wave E rally and then we will see a sell-off. Okay, also don't forget on crude oil prices. Now crude oil prices are very strong, they remain in uptrend. We have risk on mode still in place, so for now at least we have to respect what is going on other markets, and this obviously makes the bearish case for dollar or Mexican peso, because Mexican peso can benefit from those moves. Terrorists, thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want more of those, make sure, and more charts, more analysis on different markets, Make sure to check our services too. We have special offer, you get 2 months for the price of 1. Also we have special offer for Elliott Wave School educational video, 7 hours of my material that I put together, and you can actually, with those videos, you can take the Elliott Wave maybe to the next level. I believe that you will find some very useful information there. Traders, once again, thank you very much for watching, and talk to you next time. Bye.